Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? We have done question answer and words to learn of unit number 7, going to school. Now next we are doing exercise number 2, book page number 44. Here we are framing sentences. Some words are given on page number 44 and we have to make sentences of those words. So before framing sentences, we should know what sentence is. Sentence has two parts. First part is called naming part, second part is called telling part. Naming part tells us who and what the sentence is about, means any person or any noun or any pronoun. Okay, who and what the sentence is about. Telling part tells us something. There something about the naming part, something about the noun, something about the pronoun. We will clarify this in the upcoming examples. Okay, see the example for more understanding. Okay, dear. Our first word is painting. First, think about any naming part of the sentence. You can start your sentence by any noun or pronoun. I, we, you, Sarah, Ahmad, Ali. You can start your sentence with any noun or pronoun. That is your naming part of the sentence. Now think about the given word. The given word is painting. Think that uh, your naming part is using that thing, your naming part has this thing, and now make a sentence. For example, the first sentence, I have a colorful painting. Here I is the naming part and have a colorful painting means that you have a colorful painting, and here you use this word painting in your sentence. The next word, my mother. My mother made this painting. Now, my mother is the naming part, okay? And the other part is the telling part, that tell that your given word is made by your mother. My mother made this painting. Painting is your given word. Now the third, my friend has a new painting. My friend is your naming part and has a new painting is the telling part, that tells you that your friend has this thing, this painting. Okay, the second word is reading. The same rule we apply here also. First we select the naming part, any noun, any pronoun, and then think about our word, our given word. Our given word is reading. Think that this action, this reading action, this activity, your naming part, your noun like this activity, your naming part, your noun do this activity, do this work, and then jot down your sentence. Like, Sarah likes reading storybooks. Sarah is a naming part and telling part is likes reading storybooks. Next, he needs help in reading. He is the naming part. Needs help in reading is the telling part. Okay. This telling part tells you about the naming part. Okay. That this person is good in reading or not. In that way you are using the given word reading. I have given my reading test. I is the naming part and the telling part is have given my reading test. Now she has lots of reading books. She is a naming part and has lots of reading books is the telling part. In telling part we can use the given word. Yes. Now the next word, ground. Ground. Okay, ground means any outdoor big space. Big space, empty space. Now first select the naming part. Okay, it can be any noun or pronoun. Okay, now think about the word. The given word is ground. Okay, now think that your naming part, like this thing, like this word, the given word, your naming part, doing anything in the ground, likes the ground. Okay, and if the your naming part doing anything in the ground, so what is the thing that your naming part is doing in the ground? And in that way you can make your own sentences. Here you can see Sarah is playing in the ground. Sarah, naming part, is playing in the ground. It's the telling part in which you are telling that Sarah is playing in the ground. It's a complete sentence. Next, we play cricket in the ground. My school has a big playground. I saw seed in the ground. Okay, the first part, the doer part, the naming part, and the other rest of the part of the sentence is the telling part. Okay, flower, the same. This flower has no scent. I like red flower. This flower here, this flower is the naming part. Okay, has no scent is the telling part. Okay, in which you tell about the naming part. I like red flower. I is the naming part and like red flower, that the telling part, that you are telling something about the given word. This plant has no flower. The last, my garden has many flowers. Okay, my garden is the naming part. Has many flowers means you are telling something about the given word. Okay. Okay, the last word is things. Okay, again select your naming part and then think about the given word and think that given word is things. Okay, so think that how many things you have, how many types of things your friends have, how which type of things you like, which type of things your friends like. Okay, and then jot down the sentence and add the telling part to the naming part with the word things. For example, I keep my things in my bag. I, naming part, and keep my things in my bag, telling part. That tells that you keep your things in your bag. Okay, you should keep your things carefully. You, naming part, should keep your things carefully, telling parts. I like colorful things. Sarah uses beautiful things. So in that way you can make new sentences. Okay, this is your homework to complete your work in your book. Submit in the Google Classroom and you have to write down one sentence of each word. Okay, any sentence of your choice of each word. Thank you.